Good morning! Oh, the sun is shining, birds are chirping. It's about to be a beautiful day in Yellowstone. Let's get right to it.
Hi, I'm
JP. Shower. Breakfast. Bon appetit. Brush my teeth. All right, let the montage begin. Just like that, there she goes. That's why they call it Old Faithful. All right, let's get droney with it. Wow, what an absolute gorgeous spot. All right, on to the next one. A little baby. Oh my goodness. I've seen pictures, but pictures do not do this justice. Literally insane. We're gonna have to get some drone shots or cinematic shots or something, but let the montage begin. Small freaking world. I was out on this trail hiking and ran into two of my friends from college. So now I'm gonna go meet up with them later and I don't know, go chill with them because they live out here now. So it's crazy how small this world is. All right, I'll vlog when I get with them. So, all right, just got done at breakfast and now what are we doing?
Rock climbing.
Going rock climbing because this guy, he's like a phenomenal rock climber, world class, and I'm about to go embarrass myself in front of him, so we'll get right to it. Quite the hike, hey?
Right?
You got any sweat coming down you?
Oh.
A little bit?
Yeah, just a little.
I think I got a bead here. Shall we continue on?
Yeah.
Here she is. All right, time for this man to show me up. These boys showing me how it's done. Superstar up there. There's the legend himself.
First successful.
There you go.
In my book.
I'm heading out.
All right. Oh, you're gonna head out?
Yeah, I got a flight to catch.
Well, that was fun.
Yeah.
Really random.
Woo! No, that was awesome.
Glad we could give you a taste of the valley.
All right. Take it easy, guys.
Yeah.
Thanks for the outdoor rock climbing adventure. So, all right. See you guys later. Stay in touch. God, what awesome guys. All right. Time to drive, catch my flight, and end the vlog. So, until next time, till the next adventure.